Hey there mga Mards! Today I'm going to share with you a makeup hack that I have been doing since I was a kid. During my grade school, I joined the dance troupe, I joined the choir. So from time to time, I have makeup on my face, and when we are going to join the competition, on the day of the competition in the morning, my teacher started to do our makeup mga Mards. So we are 30 or 40 all in all. Imagine that. So there are 2, sometimes 3 teachers to do our makeup. They put on eyeshadows, blush, and lipstick. So yun lang ginagawa nila, of course, after foundation. When we already have our makeup, and you know, kids, they still play outside, so they sweat, and of course nahuhulas na yung makeup. And our teacher bring out her lipstick and trying to put the lipstick on our eyes,
on our cheeks, and on our lips.
Young as that, my skin already experienced having foundation, and I'm really glad that I still have good skin. It doesn't really affect my skin. In connection to that, because that is where I learned this mga Mark. Back when I was in college, when I was on duty, I was late then. I forgot to put on makeup when on duty, and my CI told me to put on makeup because I look like a patient in the ward. Yeah, as you can see now, I look so pale. Alright, so I don't have my eyeshadow back then. I don't have a blush. I tried to find something on my bag, and I found a lipstick mga Mards. Okay, so that lipstick reminds me when I was in grade school. So I did that, and it saved me mga Mards. Okay, so today I'm going to do that hack na yan, and I am going to use this Leen soft suede lipstick. Mas maganda kung yung mga soft lipstick, yung matte siguro I don't recommend kasi magkaano yun mahirap magkakaroon ka ng tagging. Ayan, so I'm going to use the Leen soft suede lipstick and fire. Alright. Okay, so this is from their Better Than Basic. Usually mga Mars, yung mga yung pag lumalabas, talagang lipstick lang yung dala. Sino yung mga lipstick lang ang dala sa inyo? Alangan naman magdala kayo ng eyeshadow, alangan naman magdala kayo ng foundation. Diba? Usually, ang nasa bag natin is lipstick and powder. Alright. So, this is a good hack, lalo pag nahulas na yung iyong, yung iyong makeup, and kailangan mo talagang mag-touch up. So, we always do in the powder room, put on lipstick and put on powder. Alright. So, if you need to brighten up your face, you can just use one. You can just use your lipstick mga Mards. Okay? So it serves like the all-in-one na mga ngayon, na mga sikat, like yung Velvet Flush ng Detail Cosmetics, yung multi-pot, yung all-in-one stick ng Leen. And these lipsticks are even more softer, and will be more easier to blend. This is the shade that I have today. So medyo dark siya mga Mards. Depende kung anong lipstick na dala mo. Okay, so let's apply eyeshadow first. Okay, so hawiin lang natin ito konti, and lapit lang. Alright. So, of course, we are just going to use our fingers mga Mards. So, it depends to you kung paano mo siya ilagay. Sa akin, pwede ko siyang you can apply it like so, or you can apply it with your fingers. Okay, so dito muna tayo. Ayan, para mas na-control mo siya. So lipstick to mga Mards. Right? Okay. Okay. And then, tsaka natin i-blend. Papasok. O, diba natutunan ko na rin? Lipstick lang mga Mards. Okay, so kulang pa sa kabila. Dagdagan pa natin. Dagdagan pa natin. Okay, so ito lang ang gamit mga Mards. Ayan. So, hindi pa yan madaling matanggal. Okay, we're going to use it now as our blush. You can also just apply it like so, but I prefer it with my fingers. So that you can control the product, mga mards. So, yes, paunti-unti lang. Kasi mas maganda yung dagdagan mo na lang siya kaysa yung bawasan. Para mas mahirap siya pag sobrang dami yung nilagay mo. Mas madali din siyang i-blend. So, ayan. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung product? So, sige, lagyan natin. Kapalan natin ng konti. Ayan. Okay, so, sa kabila tayo. Ayan, so nakapalan ko yung kabila. Or, ganda rito sa side. So, blend lang mga mards. Ayan, nakita na yung aking mga... Ayan, nakita na. Okay. Nakita yung mga sumpa. Wait lang. Mga sumpa. Nakita yung mga sumpa. Oh, diba? Magic. Ay, naka. Kasi yung mga sumpa na yan, besh. Okay, sumpa. Nawala na yung nandito. And okay. Ayan, so if you don't have a multi-pot or all-in-one stick, this will be good as well. This will serve it as well. Or, ayan, so kung gusto mo maglagay dito, pwede rin. Try natin, ha? Diba? As a, and then, konting, matusok ko yung mata ko. Oh! Side. Okay. Alright. Now, sa lips na tayo, mga mards. Ngayon ko lang to ginamit. Dark siya. It's dark but I like it. So, ayan mga mards. Isang lipstick lang ang gamit natin. So, whatever shade of lipstick is in your bag, you can use it as your makeup. You can use it as your eyeshadow, as your blush, and your lipsticks. Even long-lasting kasi hindi siya powder. So, hindi siya basta-basta matatanggal. So, do not forget mga Marge, if you need to freshen up or to brighten up your face, like you have to attend or you have to meet someone, okay, and then on your way, let's say, dun sa travel mo, mainit, nagpawis ka, nahulas yung makeup mo, alam ko mga Mards, lahat ng mga girls ngayon, alam ko, you have a lipstick on your bag. And this will save you mga Mards. So this also saved me before mga Mards sa aking duty. So from then on, alam nyo, meron na talaga akong dalang lipstick. Basta pag lumalabas ako, meron akong dalang lipstick. Kasi talagang ang pale ko kapag wala akong lipstick. And of course, mas maganda pag ginamit mo siya sa iyong mata and sa iyong cheeks. Okay, so pwede mo siyang ilagay lang as very light. Parang natural lang siya. And as well sa lipstick mo, let's say like, ganito, dark siya. Ang gagawin mo lang is parang idadab mo lang siya. Ganyan-ganyan lang siya. Dab mo lang. And then, ganon. Mawala na lahat. Mawala na yung eyeshadow mo. Alright? Mawala na yung blush mo. Wag lang ang lipstick talaga. Kasi yung lipstick, pwede mo siyang gamitin as an eyeshadow, as a blush. And of course, for your lips. Pero yung eyeshadow, hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin sa iyong lips. Mga Mards. Okay, yung blush, hindi mo rin siya pwedeng gamitin sa iyong lips. Okay, so this will do the trick. So I hope you learned something today, mga Mards. I will see you again on my next one. This has been Ryce DG. Bye! Hey there mga Mards! Today we are going to... anong to? Hey there mga Mards! Hey there mga Mards! Today I'm going... Yeah, it started when I was a kid. Yeah, as early as 5 years old. Wag na, hindi ko nagakwento. Yeah, during my grade school, I am already applying, or my skin is already, so my skin, you know, as apa? Ayan.